Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Positive Sentiment stamp set. This stamp set comes with 4 positive sayings which I think are great. They have think happy thoughts, just be your own unique beautiful self, a smile is the best outfit, and let your heart be your compass. These sentiments measure approximately 1.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall. I went ahead and stamped them out for you so you can see what they look like when they're stamped. I did make one card for you. I used the positive sentiments with the new Slimline connected rectangles and the butterfly stamp set, which we now have the coordinating dies for. And to finish the card, I added some of the Coral Coast sparklettes. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed the new release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.